I'm camera shy. I froze. I froze when it came out. Okay, so we just dropped Logan off at his acting class, and we're gonna go find something to eat. I promised you guys if I went to the taco stand, I'd take you along with. So let's head that way. I purchased this DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal for use out on the range. This walk to the taco stand in North Park is really just the first opportunity I've had to play with this gimbal, but I can already tell that Jedi TV's cowboy action shooting footage from this gimbal should look really smooth. But more about the Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal later. Right now, it's about the taco stand. The taco stand is a budget-friendly Mexican eatery with corn tortillas made fresh right in front of you behind the counter. And even though the taco stand is a busy and popular spot, placing your order and getting your food goes pretty fast, as there never seems to be a shortage of fast-moving employees at either of the two locations I've been to. Jessica, or Miss Harley as she's known in the cowboy action shooting community, ordered carne asada fries on this visit. And, along with a side of Mexican street corn, I went with one of my favorites, fish taco. So, I'm no food critic, I'm a cowboy action shooter, but I can tell you that that was a good fish taco and some excellent corn on the cob. How were the carne asada fries?
They were probably some of the best I've ever had.
And we should also mention here that this is a relatively new location for the taco stand, but it's the same owners as in
La Jolla, Encinitas, and downtown San Diego.
So they have at least 3 other locations.
Yep.
Anyways, if you guys are near one, try it out. If you get near this one, definitely try it out. Tell them you heard about it on Jedi TV. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Jedi TV. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up by clicking on that like button. I'm heading back up to Oregon to get some more supplies. And if you've stayed this far into this video, I'll give you a little spoiler. One of the items I'm expecting to arrive when I get back to the homestead is a double-barrel shotgun that I sent off to old number 4 to be slicked up. More on that, as well as other cowboy goodies, including more about this Osmo gimbal, on future episodes of Jedi TV. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our Wild West adventures. I'm Jedi Knight, and I'll see you in some other place, in some other time.